Come test drive the 2017 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, heated steering wheel, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, power windows, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, HD radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.